In 60 seconds, I'll show how to securely link your old bank to US Bank using Plaid. First, open the US Bank app or website and sign into your account. Go to Transfers or Linked Accounts, then choose Add an external account. Select Plaid when prompted to connect your bank quickly and securely. Search for your old bank, then select it from the results. You'll be redirected to Plaid's secure connection flow to authenticate. Enter your bank login exactly as you do on your bank site. If multi-factor authentication appears, enter the code sent by your bank. Plaid uses bank-level encryption and tokenization. Your credentials are not shared with US Bank. Review the accounts Plaid found and select the ones you want to link. Confirm and return to US Bank. Allow a few minutes for verification to complete. Done. Your old bank is linked. Review transfer limits and revoke access anytime in settings.